lovely to have you back for this week's giveaway. If you are crafting and you like freebies, then you really need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're watching on YouTube, then all you need to do is click on Crafty Bob in the corner just there. Before I tell you all about this week's freebie, let me show you this beautiful card that's been sent in by our exclusive designer, Hilda Mullinger. The cup number is cup 693-200-10778. And what makes this card unique is Hilda has used actual ribbon to weave in and out on the basket there. Look, can you see? It's fantastic. Absolutely brilliant idea. It's a simple technique, but it really brings the card to life. The floral decoupage gives it depth there and makes the flowers really stand out. This design comes with full instructions and has the real wow factor. Absolutely gorgeous, Hilda. Now, before I show you this week's freebie, I want to play you a short tutorial all about how to download your order using Google Chrome. Enjoy! Okay, crafters, it's freebie time. Today's freebie is a stunner and it's called Viva Vibrant pop-up box card. It's gorgeous. It's got a beautiful silver bow embellished with these beautiful butterflies, and they even have little jewels all on the wings. Got a little happy birthday, a lovely little bird there. It's just beautiful. More jewels there on this butterfly. It folds flat too, so you can just post it out in your envelope. You don't need a box. And has been designed by our exclusive designer, Janice Shehan. The cup reference number is cup 739-432-2049. This is a massive 8-sheet kit. So it might be cheaper if you let us do the printing for you. Remember, crafters, we print the freebies for free and everyone gets a small craft gift worth £3. This week's craft gift is a pack of Crafty Bits jewels. All we ask is that you pay a small postage charge to cover the postage and the packaging, and we will do the rest for free. The 3 ways to get this week's freebie are explained at the end of the show, so if you want to know, just keep on watching. Remember, crafters, You can't get our giveaway designs anywhere else on the internet. They are all exclusive to Craftsuprint. Get your giveaway printed for free and get this free craft gift worth £3. Anne-Marie will now show us how to make this fabulous card. Over to you, Anne-Marie.
Hello, welcome to this episode of Cup TV. In this episode we're going to be creating a pop-up box card kit called Viva Vibrant from Janice Shehan. The cup number for this item is 739432_2049. Janice also has lots of other pop-up box card kits available, so be sure to check out her other designs. I'm going to include a link on top of the screen for Janice's homepage, so you'll be able to see all of Janice's designs. Once you've got your kit and you printed it off, there's 7 sheets that you'll need to print off. 2 are to make the envelope. You've got lots for the embellishments and for the outside of the box, and then you have the main box. This sheet you will need to print twice, and I'd like to show you how to make the box and the pop-up items. So after you've printed this twice, the first thing that you will do is cut it out as it is for one of the printouts. There are score lines marked on the actual sheet, and there's cut lines as well. So you'll fold it, score it, and then we're going to start to fold it. However, I've found the easiest thing, because we need to decorate both sides. Where you've printed off the second sheet, you actually cut those into the strips as they are from the sheet. You don't need the tab, but you just cut them out, and then you're going to add these to the back of the actual design that's the box. So just bear with me while we attach these, because it's in effect we're making a double-sided item, so it's got design on both sides. Now for quickness, I actually added my adhesive first, just so when I stick these on to the back of the box, you're not sat watching me just add adhesive and it's taking time to do that, because that's the last thing you want to see. And I'll just add the last one. There we go. So the last one to add is this one on the end. So now, in theory, we've got a double-sided design. So what I'm going to do is, now, because we've already scored it, I'm going to start to make the actual box shape. So on the tab, I've added double-sided tape, and I'm just going to take the back of this away, like that, and then we'll fold that over, and it will literally stick together like that to form the box. Okay, now every so often we want to keep folding it flat to make sure that everything we're doing will make sure that it folds flat to go into the envelope. So we're going to start to decorate our box. Janice has included lots of items that you can decorate the inside and the outside with. So one of the first items is the to and the from sheet, and this will sit nicely on the back of the longest side of the box, like that. I've already had adhesive on the back of mine, just for quickness. Now the next thing is all the sides of the boxes. There's some really gorgeous designs that you add to the base of the box. box and just add them all the way around like so. So that covers up the little flap on the side of the box, and you won't see it because the top flap will be over it anyway. So next we turn, where we've scored the actual box, we turn these edges out. So we've got our score lines and it still folds flat both sides. Now we can decorate the flaps with the other embellishments that Janice has included. So we're just going to add these on each side like that, and the last one the other side. I've gone a bit skew with one side, not to worry, you'll be able to take a lot more time with it at home. So the final thing for the actual mechanics of the box is there's some tabs that's included, and there's 4 tabs, and you print them out, score them, and then add a little bit of tape at either side of the edges of the tabs, and then you add them to the inside of the box like so, and just make sure they're all in a line, and the pattern side of the tabs faces the front, because then there's no blank spaces. This is the final one. Now these tabs are what your pop-up items are going to sit on. So that's my final tab, all 4 in a row there. So now we get the part to decorate and add our pop-up items. I'm going to start off with some of the longer items at the back, and then I'm going to work forward. All these items are included in the kit, and you simply work all the way forward. Put that one to the front, I think. And Janice has included so many of the floral embellishments, you're going to be absolutely stuck for choice. So I'm going to just carry on adding a couple more, and the easiest way to do it is to add the glue onto the item and then position where you want it to go in the pop-up. There we go. And a couple more lilies towards the front. There's so many great items, you are really going to be spoilt for choice, and the colours are so pretty. So we'll just add that to the front like that. You will be able to have so much fun with these. And I've just got a little bird to sit at the side there from the kids, and pop him there. So we'll just add those again. You'll be able to use a wet glue or a stronger glue and take more time than I am, but I'm rushing to try and fit everything in to show you. So that's our little sentiment, and that is our pop-up box, and it still folds flat to go into the envelope, and then when it's open everything pops up. Now Janice has included an envelope as well, and you simply cut that out, score along the lines that she's included, add tape along the lines Now she's actually included where it says to glue so that you know, and you fold the sides over, both sides, like that, and then you simply add the front of the envelope onto the top of the folds, and that is your matching envelope for your gorgeous pop-up card box. So be sure to check out all of Janice's designs. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I hope you'll look out for more cut TVs in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Janice, for supplying such a lovely design for this week's giveaway. And thank you to Anne-Marie. I love your videos. They are very helpful. Don't forget to follow Janice next time you visit Craftsuprint. She has lots of lovely, stunning designs. And that's it from me this week, crafters. As always, thank you for watching our show, and thank you for all your lovely comments. Don't forget, if you like what you see and you want to see more, then it is very important that you share. And don't forget, sharing is caring. Take care, everybody. See you next time. Bye.